In this video, I'm going to show you how to get and use the ChatGPT AI feature in Microsoft Bing step by step so you can start chatting with Bing's built-in AI and use it for writing, research, brainstorming, and quick answers. This is a super useful feature if you want an AI assistant that feels similar to ChatGPT but is built right into Microsoft Bing and Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open the Microsoft Bing website in your browser. You can also open Microsoft Edge because Bing and Copilot are integrated there as well. Once the page loads, look for the AI chat option, which may be labeled as Copilot or Chat, depending on the version you're using. This is the feature that gives you the ChatGPT-like experience inside Bing. Before you can start using it, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. This step is important because Microsoft requires you to be logged in to access the AI features. If you don't already have an account, you can create one first, then come back and sign in. After you're logged in, Bing will unlock the chat experience and allow you to start asking questions. Now click on the Copilot or Chat option. When the chat window opens, you'll see a text box where you can type your prompt. This is where the magic happens. You can ask Bing AI to help with almost anything. For example, you could type, write a YouTube script, or explain digital marketing. You can also ask it to summarize information, generate ideas, draft emails, create lists, or help you understand a topic in simple terms. Once you type your prompt, press enter and wait for the answer. Bing's AI will generate a response for you in a few moments. One of the best parts is that you can keep the conversation going. If the answer is too short, too long, or not quite what you wanted, just ask a follow-up question. You can say things like, make it simpler, add more detail, or give me another example. That way, you can refine the result just like you would with ChatGPT. This is especially helpful if you want to use AI for content creation, schoolwork, business tasks, or everyday productivity. You can start with a simple prompt and then guide the AI until you get exactly what you need. The more specific your prompts are, the better the results will usually be. So instead of asking something broad, try giving Bing clear instructions about the tone, format, and purpose of the answer. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to get and use the ChatGPT-style AI feature in Microsoft Bing, sign in properly, open Copilot or Chat, enter a prompt, and continue the conversation with follow-up questions. It's a fast and easy way to use AI without leaving your browser. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.